To access the air filter, first open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. The air filter is located here. Remove the two fasteners securing the air filter housing. Remove the old filter from the housing. Clean out any debris in the housing. Install your new AF293 filter into the housing. It can only be installed with the housing in one orientation. Once the filter is fully flushed and the housing is aligned, re-engage the fasteners.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.